Hello, this video shows you how to use EagleSearch to quickly find and access closely related research by using built-in tools for citation chaining. First, start at the library's homepage, hazylibrary.erau.edu, and put your search into EagleSearch, which searches most of the library's 200-plus databases in one search. Sometimes you find an article that's perfect for your topic and you want to find more. Citation chaining makes it quick and easy to find and access related research. In EagleSearch, you have two tools to help you with citation chaining. The Find Sources Citing This, which is the red arrow facing up, and the Find Sources Cited in This, which is the red arrow facing down. When you click on the Find Sources Cited in This down arrow, you're taken to a clickable list of the article's references. This quickly gets you to a list of the research that went into this article. From here, you can easily read the articles online or request them through interlibrary loan, making it a much more convenient, quicker, and easier way to access related articles than if you were to navigate to the article's reference page. When you click on the Find Sources Citing This upward-facing arrow, you are taken to a clickable list of newer research that has been published using this article as a reference. Now you're seeing related research that's newer. This is a great way to keep up with what's being published and is closely related to the topic. Or if you find an article that's too old for your project, it's a good way to find newer but still related research. You can also use Find Sources Citing This for ongoing projects when you need to see what's been published on a topic since you last researched it. With these two quick and easy tools in EagleSearch, you can easily find and access the research that's contributed to a topic and newer research that's been published after. If you have any questions about citation chaining or any other research, please be sure to contact us.